lagyan ka tanong sa pinto. Hold it this one first.
Dang, 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 dang.
Properly. You are lying.
Meron na ako ang pause sa pera ko. Madami.
Wow. Dami mo money na.
Ma, do you see my $100?
Wow! $100! Baka 100 pesos. Baka anak, baka sabihin nila, mayaman tayo, may $100 ka. Ano lang tayo, mga 30 minutes lang, guys. Thank you, Rolando Chicago. Yan. Support each other, Raha. Raha, what country are you? Where did you come? What country?
Do you know what country are you in? I'm asking your viewers.
Raha, good morning, good morning.
How many good morning?
Many, many good morning.
A million?
Yeah, good morning.
Infinity?
Thank you. Sit properly, Tara. Sit properly.
Okay. Why is it not moving? I want a rock bar. What is that? Chocolate? Brownies! Can I have one brownie?
No, later. Or you can eat this one.
Ooh, I haven't seen this for a while.
Snack ka na. Oh, you don't throw
Ma,
this.
it's not hot at all. Ma, why is it line?
Rolling Chicado. I can take the name of Philippines when something goes wrong. Why? Why?
Why? Why? Because you're scared of saying it?
Thank you, Raha, for support. Why I can take the name of Philippines when something goes wrong? What? Kainit. Hello, dear. No, I'm not a shopkeeper. Now we have here the is baon and there the water. She's already going to snack. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, you keep it now. Later,
She
kumakain.
knows my name.
Oh. Oh,
She said my name.
ang lit-lit lang ng school mo eh. Hindi alam naman hindi ka makilala eh. Kukunti lang kayo.
Why? Do you know how many
Oh, what did you say? Thank you, ate. Oh, you ask your oh, what? Cham? Sam? Hello, Sam.
Sam, why is
Say sorry you buy something. Yeah, I'm just buying this one. Water from my friend outside. Because almost forgot my tumbler with water. So I buy this one. It's 15 pesos. Philippine. JD. May merienda na yung aking alaga.
There's so many viewers, but some viewers haven't come to your live yet. I think they appeared again.
Thank you, Ate Sam.